Assalamualaikum everyone. For today's recipe, we are going to be sharing with you a chicken kebab. This chicken kebab is really good to eat with biryani. So what are we waiting for? Let's start the recipe. But before we do, make sure to subscribe, like this video, and comment. We would really appreciate it. Now we are done with our kebab. I hope you guys enjoyed that video, and if you like this recipe, please make sure to like the video. Thank you to everyone who has subscribed, but if you haven't, please subscribe for more yummy recipes. I'll see you guys in the next video with a new recipe.